So this 458 SOCOM side charging upper receiver from Bear Creek Arsenal has been a bit of a center of controversy on my channel since I got it. When I first got it, I brought it out, shot it, and there were some issues. I had several malfunctions that I quickly actually realized was due to ammo, because I had several cases that not only failed to chamber, but I also had some that got stuck in the chamber. And after a little bit of investigation, I realized that it was due to the fact that I had improperly sized the cases that I hand loaded, because I couldn't find any factory ammo. And again, I take the time to say thank you to everybody who had a suggestion made to what could possibly be the problem, even though I had figured out what the problem is. But another thing that was harped on a lot was the fact that I don't have rather, an H4 buffer in this gun. And again, I feel that it's unnecessary. And again, to some people who made that same suggestion, I say thank you, because they explained to me that the purpose was not only for the function of the firearm, but to take the beating of the power of the round. But hopefully today we'll be able to put all that to bed and move on to something else. Today we're going to be shooting 350 grain flat nose projectiles from Precision 1 Ammunition out of Charleston, South Carolina. It's a local company that I was finally able to find some rounds. So again, now I have factory loaded rounds. We're going to see if we can make this work or not. Let's get into it. Well, after I did get the firearm functioning, another thing that a lot of people complained about was the fact that I only fired 5 rounds. Well, at the time, it's about all I had. Even after that, I'd posted several videos with myself, my nephew, and my brother firing this firearm. Well, just ran a full mag with a full last round bolt hold open. I hope you're satisfied now. Bear Creek Arsenal, 458 SOCOM, side charging upper receiver. Thank you. Ooh, I just had a thought. I wonder if this thing could run full auto.